It has finally arrived. Yes, I have joined the D23 official Disney fan club, and this is my membership card and the welcome gift that I'm just about to unbox. So I have not opened this yet. Well, I've opened the top, the lid, but I haven't opened the gift or the welcome gift that comes with joining. So yeah, let's get this unboxed and have a look. First of all, got this welcome letter. I'm not going to read the full letter, but look at the card. I have become a gold member of D23, the fan club. How smart does that look? And this is what, I haven't opened it yet, but it looks cool. Even the box looks awesome. The Mickey Mouse, leader of the club, Milestone statue. Oh, it's I've tried not to Google anything or look for any information. This is going to be my unboxing of this Milestone statue, Mickey Mouse Milestone statue. This is the certificate of authenticity. Mickey Mouse, leader of the club, Milestone statue. Just look at that. Starting with a small cartoon studio in 1923, Walt Disney's dream has grown to a rich legacy of the world's most inspiring stories, places and fans over the past century that we now call the Walt Disney Company. How cool is that? So yeah, let's get settled and let's unbox this and have a look at it. Right, okay, so this is the kind of best angle that I can get. I am currently staying at a hotel, but let's get unboxing. First and foremost, another look at the card. It just looks awesome. How awesome does that look? You get to pick your own design as well, and I've went for Star Wars. You can probably recognise a few characters there. But anyway, let's get unboxing. So, if you can still see it's in the box still. Let's see. Oh, come on. Look at this. How awesome is that? So it's a collector's set. I don't want to open it, but I'm going to have to. Look at this. Look, the big magnetic box. Get a lid. Oh, ready? Are you ready for this? Oh, look at that. Look. I think it's really good quality as well. It's not like cheap quality. It's got a foam. Wow. There's no way you get this as a gift. Look at that. It's massive. I don't even want to take it out, but I'm going to. Oh wow. This is incredible. I don't want to damage it. Oh, it's actually really kind of heavy as well. Look at this. Oh, I don't want to kind of ruin the image there, but look at that. Wow. I'll just turn it around. There's a bit of weight in this at the bottom. You've got the Disney 100 on Mickey's jacket or top. That is incredible. I know a few of you will have this, but this is the first for me. I've never been a member. Just look at that. What? This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm gonna have to collect the rest of them. I can't believe you get this as I know it's not free for the membership. I'll put all the information regarding the memberships down below, but I know it's not free, but to get this, and I'm still trying to figure out all the benefits as well of the having a membership. However, if you've watched this video so far, the reason I've joined and became a member is because I have some plans next year, near the end of next year, really, or let's say the second half of the year, not the end of next year. So I have a trip planned. That's why I have joined. This is stunning. So yeah, that's really it. I know it's short and sweet, but just wanted to show you all. I mean, even the box is really cool. I didn't think you got that as well. I thought it was like a normal box and there was going to be a gift inside, but that's like a collectible itself, the box, and that stays in it, of course. So I don't think I'll be taking that out of the box. I'll probably keep it in the box and put it in safe storage. Wow, that is really cool. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed that. I'll put some information down below in the description box, like I said. If it's your first time watching me, give it a like, the video a like, subscribe, check out all the videos I've got on my channel from this year, from several trips to Orlando, Florida, Disney cruise, Disneyland Paris. It's been a busy year, and I'm just winding down to the end of the year, and I have so much planned for next year as well. So hit subscribe, make sure you subscribe, support the channel, I really do appreciate it. And yeah, including this little clue that I've gave in this video, yeah, there's a lot more to come next year. So hope you're all well, and I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.